It's Meso, y'all. Welcome to my kitchen today where I'm going to be making for you a delicious sweet corn pudding. It is an excellent side dish and it goes great with any meal. Take a look. Let's look at some of our ingredients now. So we have 2 cans of cream corn, 2 cups of kernel corn, 5 eggs, half a cup of milk, fourth of a cup of cornstarch, and a fourth of a cup of sugar, black pepper, and salt to your taste. I've got my bowl. In fact, I'm using my mixer and I'm going to be beating this on the very lowest speed. You can just hand mix it if you would like. And I'm getting my eggs down into my bowl. I have 5 eggs and I'm putting all 5 of these eggs in my bowl. Okay, now I'm going to start beating these guys up. I'm going to whip and I'm going to beat them. I'm just trying to incorporate the eggs and get air into them. Okay, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna put my half cup of milk in, and this I'm using canned evaporated milk. You can use whole milk or any milk that you're comfortable with. I'm coming back with my 4 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm putting in 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. If you don't have any cornstarch, don't run out and buy any. You can use 4 tablespoons of flour. And of course, I have this video speeded up for the interest of time. Well, we're just still whipping and beating, whipping and beating. It's looking good. I have some sea salt here that I'm going to put in. You can use any salt of your liking in the amount that you like, or you can put in no salt at all if you don't want any salt in yours. I put in 1 can of my cream corn, and that is the 2nd can going in here. I'm coming right back with my 2 cups of kernel corn. My kernel corn happens to be canned and drained. You don't want the juice from that corn. So I'm putting in 1/3 stick of melted butter. I'm letting it whip some more, and then I'm going to stop it. And I have a greased casserole dish waiting for me. This is a 9 by 13. I'm going to get this mixture down into my dish, and I am going to take this casserole dish and put it in the oven. You're going to let it stay in the oven and bake until a toothpick inserted into it comes out clean. My oven that's waiting for me right now is set at 350 degrees. It's preheated, and I'm going to cook it in here for about an hour. Start checking it about 45 minutes, though. Looky, Miss Cookie. What do you think about that? It looks so good. Actually, this had more height to it when I first took it out. It was more puffy. It has deflated just a little bit now. Gotta still be good. If yours stays up, that's good. If it deflates, it's okay. It doesn't matter. It's going to taste the same. Look at that. See how clean that cuts? So it's just like I like it. It has some crispness around the edges, and it's very smooth and creamy on the inside. I got to taste it for you. Really, really good, guys. Really good. This is good for a change. This is an excellent side dish. This just goes good with any kind of meal. You got to try it. You got to get this into your kitchen. Your family will love you for it. Guys, I want to thank you for coming by my channel to see what I was doing today, because you knew I'd be throwing down and cooking something good. If you like what you see on my channel, please share wherever you're active on social media or with your friends and family. I want you to share. I want you to comment, subscribe, give me a big old thumbs up. And guys, go out and show somebody some love today. Bye-bye.